You have been lied to. You do not need to go all in 100% of the time. You do not need to hustle harder. You do not need to take things easy. Everyone around us is either sprinting towards something or stuck in a place wondering why they aren't fulfilled. And honestly, I've been there too. I always thought productivity was about intensity, that fulfillment would just magically appear if I worked a little more. But all I got was stress, followed by guilt. Motivation became the cycle of burnout and boredom until I started working differently. Hi, I'm Himang, and in this video, I'll share how I applied the Goldilocks rule to maximize my productivity while making me fulfilled and engaged at the same time. The Goldilocks rule. What does it actually mean? It is a principle from psychology that says we are the most motivated when the difficulty of the task is just right. Not too hard or not too easy. Just right outside our current ability. Now that sweet spot keeps you engaged. This is where growth feels challenging but not paralyzing, where effort creates momentum and not exhaustion. This isn't just about work, it's for everything. Studying, fitness, content, even your habits. If it's too easy, you get bored. If it's too hard, you burn out. But if it's calibrated just the right way, you keep coming back. Here are the 3 ways that you can use to implement the Goldilocks rule. Technique 1. Build friction wisely. Every task you do should have the right amount of friction. Not zero, not chaos. Build your to-do lists by breaking them down into tiny challenges. Like instead of studying for 5 hours, write it down as completing one topic plus one test. Instead of reading one book, write it down as reading 10 pages daily. This keeps your brain locked in without the dread, and your brain enjoys challenges when they're beatable. Technique 2. Audit your zone. Use your emotions like a compass. Bored, the task was probably too easy. Anxious, the task was probably too hard. Present plus slightly stressed, congrats, you were in the zone. End every deep work session with just one question. Would I willingly do that again tomorrow? And the answer will tell you if you were in the Goldilocks zone or not. Technique 3. Build feedback into the routine. Don't just work, reflect. Build feedback loops into your weekly review systems, so you're always adjusting and not second guessing. In your weekly reviews, ask yourself what felt off and why was that certain task not done up to its full potential. In your monthly reviews, ask yourself, are you still being challenged by the current difficulty level of your tasks? If not, you need to level up, or you'll just start getting bored and it will silently kill your momentum. Here is the hidden cost of not getting it right. Being outside the Goldilocks zone, it not just kills your motivation, it also kills your confidence. Every time you overload yourself with a plan you're not able to stick to, like you say you'll study for 6 hours but just make it till 45 minutes, your brain logs it as failure. And over time, you stop trusting yourself. You start thinking, maybe I'm just not disciplined, I'm not consistent, or maybe I'm lazy. But that's not even true. The systems were just too broken for you to win. And on the flip side, when you're too comfortable for too long, you stop feeling proud of yourself because you're not growing, you're not pushing, and deep down, you know it. And that's where boredom and burnout actually come from. You're always either breaking your promises you make to yourself or never making any worth keeping. And that's what the Goldilocks rule changed for me. It gave me systems I could trust. It gave me challenges that I could actually beat. And that rebuilt my confidence one small win at a time. The Goldilocks rule isn't about balance, it's about alignment. And when you align the challenge to your ability, you create fulfillment. And when you keep adjusting as you grow, you stay in the game. So if life feels too heavy or too dull right now, just zoom out, because it might not even be you, it might just be the wrong zone. So if this video added any value, go like, hit subscribe and comment how you will apply this rule to maximize your productivity.